So guess what's been showing up everywhere lately? Insta360's brand new Go Ultra. And honestly, this tiny camera is already grabbing a lot of attention. But before we dive into the details, quick favor, hit that subscribe button. Think of it like clipping the Go Ultra onto your backpack. Simple, light, and you'll be glad you did. Now here's the catch. The official launch date is still under wraps. Most signs point to IFA Berlin in September, though some leaks suggest it could arrive as early as late August. Nothing confirmed yet, but the promo shots are basically a movie trailer on their own. You see it strapped to a cyclist's chest, clipped to a backpack, mounted on a bike, even used underwater. It's built to blend seamlessly with whatever you're doing. No bulk, no hassle, just pure adventure. And yes, underwater recording is on the table. Just like the Go 3S, snap on a lens guard, and you're set for swimming. Planning to go deeper? That's where a dive case accessory will likely come in handy. But here's something interesting. The little flap on the side of the Go Ultra. It could be a charging port, which would save you from docking it in the action pod every time. Or maybe, just maybe, it's an SD card slot. That would be a game changer for high-res, high-bit-rate recording. Insta360 usually avoids removable storage, but this design definitely hints at something new. On the inside, the upgrade is huge. The new 1.28-inch sensor is a big step up from the Go 3S, capturing more light, richer colors, wider dynamic range, and stronger low-light performance. Pair that with a rumored 5-nanometer chip and Insta360's smart image processing, and you're looking at clean nighttime footage instead of noisy, grainy clips. One of the biggest complaints about the Go 3S was overheating, especially in 4K. With the Ultra's slightly larger body, there's a good chance that issue has finally been fixed. And performance-wise, you're looking at 4K at 60 FPS with a 180 megabit per second bitrate, smooth, detailed video that blows past the Go 3S, which topped out at 4K 30 FPS and around 120 megabits per second. Add in active HDR and you've got punchy colors with balanced contrast, even in tricky lighting. Now, about that redesigned action pod. This is where things get exciting. Battery life is up to 200 minutes, with insanely fast charging that hits 80% in just 10 minutes. There's also a new LED tally light so you instantly know when the camera is recording. Plus, the pod isn't just a charger anymore. It's a solid grip, a wireless remote, and overall much sleeker to hold. So yeah, if these leaks are legit, the Go Ultra could be Insta360's biggest leap in years. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you're first in line for the latest updates.